Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how instance on points node works in Blender. Let's get started. I will show you step by step how to replace points with instances of a base object called for creating, for example, a field of grass or rocks. So let's move on and create it from scratch. I have added to the scene this cube as shown here, connected the group output to group input as shown in our tutorial. First thing I want to do, so let's add the first node, which is distribute faces, distribute points on faces, distribute point on faces like this. Grab it over here, Shift A. Let's add join geometry node. Join geometry node, connect it. Then connect this node to the input of a mesh for distribute points on faces as shown here. Shift A, let's add our node, which is instances on points. Instance on points like this. Grab it over here. Connect points to points. Then let's connect it like this to join geometry. Nothing happens because I need to add the object I want to instance on this cube, which is the monkey. Shift A, search for object info. Like this. Then connect geometry to instance. Nothing happens. We need to pick the Susan like this, and you can see the effect is happening at real time. Go over the scale like this. Click, hold the left mouse button and drag over these three fields as shown here. Hold down Shift and drag just like this in order to create those instances. As shown in our tutorial, compare around with the values of the scale. As you can see here, we grab these amazing nodes. Here we have something pretty interesting I would like to show you, which is playing around with value of density is gonna be increasing and lowering down number of those monkeys as shown here. And this tool is pretty amazing. You can play around with the seed, also change the kind of distribution. And that's it. Hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching.